This week I'm testing the Ford Endura. It's a large 5-seater family SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Endura there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There's top tether anchorages within plastic guides on the back of all 3 seat backs, really clearly labelled and easy to connect to. I could easily get 3 child seats across these back seats, 3 forward facing or forward facing and rear facing combinations, and the legroom is really good in here. We could get a 182 centimetre passenger in front of a rear facing child seat, and I could sit between 2 child seats. In the back of the Ford Endura the storage is really good. On the back of both seat backs are map pockets that will hold and conceal iPads. In the back of the central console box there's a little shelf with a 12-volt socket and a 3-prong socket there too. There's a fold down in the central seat back that has 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle. Storage in the front is excellent. There are 2 cup holders in the central console that will hold a large refillable water bottle, a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is an enormous central console box that will hold your headphones and the DVDs for those rear screens, and it's got a little storage space in the top. In front of the gear knob is a really good size storage well for your phone, and there's USB ports there too. And behind that is a little hidden shelf, good for your phone as well. There's a glasses case in the ceiling that is lined, and the glove box will hold my iPad and my wallet with the manual. There's also a little cupboard on the dashboard here, and the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle. The boot door of the Endura opens and closes nice and quietly, which is fantastic, and it's really big back here. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 18 shopping bags, or the Duet twin stroller and 7 shopping bags, or the Flex tandem stroller and 11 shopping bags, or the single stroller and 9 shopping bags, or the compact stroller and 13 shopping bags, or a large dog. The Ford Endura has been a really nice car to drive this week. There is a rotary dial instead of a gear knob, which does make it a bit tricky to make sure you're in the right gear. And also, this is a bit of a blind spot with this pillar and mirror, but apart from that, it's been fantastic. The media system in the Endura is really nice and easy to navigate and use. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is a little bit pixelated, but it fills the whole screen, and I can turn off these parking sensor beeps with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Ford Endura, it is a fantastic family car. 3 child seats, enormous boot, great media system. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.